Okay.
Okay, this is a Tarus PT740 40 caliber with the Crimson Trace laser sight activated by a small button here in the back. Okay. Alright. We're going to go through the disassembly because the factory disassembly instruction says remove the magazine, of course. Okay, I do have one in the tube. First we'll remove the magazine. Okay. Want to clear the tube. Okay. Make sure there's nothing in there. Okay. And what the instruction says, holds the pistol in the right hand and all this stuff. But what it does not tell you is you need to pull the trigger. Okay. Now you want to be careful with this. One of my friends did not clear his tube and ended up blowing a hole in his hand with his 9mm the very same way here. So you want to make sure everything's clear. Pull the trigger while pointing it away. Then you just use the palm of your hand to press back on the slide while you pull down on the release. And just push forward here with your thumb. It popped right apart. Okay. Then you compress this slightly to release your spring. And you just lift your barrel out. There you are. Reassembly. Slide your barrel back in. Spring assembly. Put it in the front first. Push forward on this. Pops right in. And then you put your slide here. And you don't want to get your fingers here because it bit me already. They will bite you. Okay. Cycle it a few times. Clear it. Ready to go. Again, push back with the palm of your hand about 1/8 of an inch. Pull down on the release. The release stays right here. Push forward your thumb. Keep your toes out of the way. There you go. Put it back in. Just line up your grooves. Good to go.